So today I'm going to be removing the stabilizer links on my Lexus IS250. It's a 2014, and thought I'd share a couple tips because I found out the hard way doing. So I'm going to get this wheel off so we can get access back there. Set it off to the side, and I'll probably pause quite a few times. Okay. All right. So now we have access right here. Got two bolts. It's 17 millimeter. I'm going to use the impact for this. It's really hard to do everything one-handed. Let's see if I can just set this right here. Hopefully you guys can see. If not, so somehow I paused it when I sat down. So anyway, so we're gonna got this part out, remove that. This is the fun part. I didn't know this. I was like, shoot, how the hell am I supposed to get this out now? I'm gonna have to remove this guy, which is I think it's also 17, just to get this out. And then I thought, oh man, there's got to be another way. And there is. So you want to be able to turn on your car just enough to turn the steering wheel, and each side you're going to have to turn it the opposite way. You want to get just maybe halfway, not all the way cranked. I'll try this. See if this is enough. So when you're all the way cranked, halfway cranked, boom, you have the access. You don't have to take off that tie rod there. So we'll grab the new one, which is right here. New parts I got from Lexus itself. I paid the full price because you get what you paid for, basically. You're gonna use the same nuts that came off this one, which, where's my other one? Oh, I gotta find it. Anyway, slide that bottom piece in. Oops, almost put the old one back in. Slide that bottom piece back in, just like you took it out. Make sure that's all the way. Love doing things one-handed. Going to thread this guy on. We are going to have to use an Allen wrench for that middle piece right there. I don't know why they do that. If there's a reason, I don't. It's annoying. And put this bottom piece on right here. Just hand tighten it pretty much until you can't anymore. Let's see if I can put my phone down without pushing stop there. All right, hopefully you can see. Close this stupid door, stop dinging. Yeah. All right, I'll put this piece on. And just throw our Allen wrench right there. Come on. Got a little bit more thread. There we go. So you'll just have to do this for a couple cranks to stop it from moving. And that should be tight enough that I can hand tighten it after I get this other side. It is pretty humid in Tucson, Arizona today, but it's okay. I'd rather it be humid than hot. Like I said, once you get it tight enough, it's snug, you can just finish it off with your whatever you want to use. It's just a 17. If you want to keep it like that, go for it. I'm just going to do a little hand tight. right here. That should be enough. But yeah, I thought I'd share this just because I almost took off the tie rod there just to freaking get access, but I think Lexus does that on purpose so you don't do it personally. Okay. And just like that, our new ones are in. Yeah, gotta put it all back together.